gonna give you 8 hertz for a tilt.
8 hertz. Oh no. I don't think I've ever heard that low before. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can you give me a rundown real quick?
I got 4 SP4 18 V2s on 2 MD8Ks at 1 ohm each, and got a JY80 and a North Star 480 and a single 370 JS.
Did you build this?
No, I had it done.
Wow. Do you know what it's tuned to?
27 in the back and 49 in the front.
Awesome. Did you meter it yet?
Yeah, 55 at 27.
Really? Wow. All right. Pioneer big unit. That's a good number. You impressed with it? You like it?
Yeah, it's about to be a 4th order because I got the base 20K that's gonna go, and I'm gonna do a driver side port.
Okay. Oh wow. Looks good.
I'm gonna give you 8 hertz for a tilt.
8 hertz. Oh no. I don't think I've ever heard that low before. Jesus. 8 hertz? You're crazy, dude. I guess it's tuned for that, isn't it? Yeah. Wow. That was awesome. Thank you, man. Now for a music demo. That was insane though, thank you. Thank you for that, man. That was awesome.
I'll play one more song.
Okay. Awesome, thank you, man. Hey, that was great. Great bandwidth. Nice to meet you again, man. What was your name?
Jahadias.
Jahadias. Oh yeah, Jahadias. Okay. Yep. Awesome. I'm gonna go check your hands real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look at them.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Wow. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.